Welcome to today's update on the cumin market. In this video, we'll be discussing the latest price trends and market dynamics for cumin in Gujarat, one of the major producing regions in India. We'll cover important updates from key markets like Unja, Gondal, and Rajkot, along with futures trading data from NCDEX. Let's dive into the details. Today, cumin prices in Gujarat saw an upward movement, with an increase of 50 rupees per 20 kg. This rise is driven primarily by growing local demand, and experts believe that if export activities improve in the near future, the market could gain even more bullish momentum. In the Unja market, approximately 12,000 bags of cumin were received today. The pricing for rough cumin ranged between 4,550 rupees and 4,650 rupees per 20 kg, while the best quality cumin fetched between 4,850 rupees and 5,000 rupees per 20 kg. The premium Bombay Bold variety was priced between 5,000 rupees and 5,300 rupees per 20 kg. Gondal market recorded an arrival of 1,326 bags, with prices ranging from 4,651 rupees to 5,001 rupees per 20 kg. Meanwhile, in the Rajkot market, around 1,500 bags were received, with prices fluctuating between 4,450 rupees and 4,850 rupees per 20 kg. Now, turning to the futures market, the Jeera Unja October contract closed at 26,670 rupees per quintal, an increase of 335 rupees over the previous close of 26,335 rupees per quintal. The contract traded within a range of 26,315 rupees to 26,670 rupees for the day. Open interest in the October contract decreased by 327 metric ton, bringing the total to 1,185 metric ton, while trading volumes surged by 468 metric ton, totaling 1,206 metric ton. The November contract settled at 26 rupees 110 per quintal, registering a rise of 300 rupees compared to its previous close of 25,810 rupees. The contract moved within the range of 25,770 rupees to 26,140 rupees. Open interest increased by 57 metric ton to 1,944 metric ton, and trading volume climbed by 720 metric ton to a total of 1,323 metric ton. The December contract closed at 25,800 rupees per quintal, marking an increase of 200 rupees from the previous close of 25,600 rupees. The contract traded between 25,700 rupees and 25,800 rupees, with open interest rising by 78 metric ton to 165 metric ton and trading volume increasing by 54 metric ton to 87 metric ton. As of October 7, 2024, the total stock of Jeera Unja held in NCDEX accredited warehouses stood at 750 metric ton. When we look at the spread between contracts, the October to November spread is currently 560 rupees per quintal, while the November to December spread is 310 rupees per quintal. The spread between October and December contracts stands at 870 rupees per quintal. To sum up, cumin prices in Gujarat have risen due to strong local demand, and the futures market reflects positive momentum with rising volumes and steady contract prices. As the market awaits further developments in exports, traders will be keeping a close eye on demand and arrivals in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching today's update. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis on cumin and other commodity markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates.